Many delicious choices, makes 2 fluffy omelets in just minutes. And this handy maker isn't just for omelets. You can make frittatas, pizza pockets, apple turnovers and so much more. You can make 2 customized individual portions at a time to satisfy everyone's breakfast, lunch or dinner requests. Quick easy, cooking and cleaning are easy with the non-stick coated cooking surfaces. No more flipping mishaps or dirty fry pans, just insert your ingredients, close the lid, and go. You'll be ready to start cooking at the optimal temperature with the preheated, ready-to-cook indicator light, ensuring a reliable cooking temperature every time. Great addition to your kitchen, space-saving compact design takes up less of a footprint on your countertop. The sleek, colorful and stainless steel finish adds a lovely pop of color to your kitchen decor. WHOER, Holstein Housewares strives to make cooking and entertaining easy by simplifying life in the kitchen. We develop a special blend of products so you can create endless recipes for all types of lifestyles, from healthy meals to guilty pleasures. Warranty: Holstein Housewares offers a 1-year limited warranty to purchase worry-free. A user manual is included in the packaging and available digitally with easy instructions on how to use the product. Top reviews from the United States. So easy. Kicking myself for not buying sooner. Okay, so many were talking about burns, gets too hot when you want to lift the lid. Well, in the directions it specifically says to wear a mitt, so super awesome. I didn't get burned for that lovely tip in the instruction manual. My concoction of egg, crab, asparagus, onion, diced tomato, and Cajun seasoning went off without a hitch. Lightly coated the trays with veg oil and took paper towel to smear it around. It was about 10 mns and it's super fluffy and cooked through. Why didn't I buy this sooner? Throw my crap in a jar, shake it up, dump it in the trays, then do whatever I need to for at least a solid 9 mns only to return to a perfectly cooked omelet. Oh goodness, the world is good.